So what we're working on is the Thetford toilet in my travel trailer. It seems like this is a pretty common issue with these things leaking. It looks like I think I saw a date code on this one. I haven't had this trailer very long. Looks like 2010. So no idea when it was actually installed, but it's not the original because the trailer is an 08. So it's been replaced at least once before. And here's our new one. And the date code looks like it's backwards. I'm guessing that's February 24th of 2017. So this one, that's true. Then this could be the original. It probably is 07. That would be 2007. So December 10th of 2007. So maybe the original. These things have bad reviews, but it's about all that you can find. I mean, there's not like somebody else makes another one, but it looks like they fail where this connects, or this coupler fails, which is not what was wrong with this one. So it makes me wonder if the ones that have the white fitting are better, but we'll see. I was wondering if possibly these things failing was that people weren't using water pressure regulators on their travel trailers, and so it was breaking these out because there was too much pressure on the line, which I always use a water pressure regulator. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye on it. You know, if this thing did blow out, you're talking about a lot of water getting in your trailer, so kind of makes me worried a little bit, but not much I can do about it. This one leaks, and I can't find a replacement other than these. The actual picture in the ad is a white one, and it came as the black one. So I was pretty sure it would, because I got it on Amazon, and the reviewers posting pictures, they were all the black fitting. So there may not be any difference in them, maybe, but there are quite a bit of positive reviews. I guess the reviews are mixed on them, but the negative reviews talk about this piece failing. So we'll see. This one in here lasted quite a while, so maybe this new one will, and let's get it installed. So normally actually this kit comes with a new toilet seal that would go between the tank and the toilet, and so it's made to where you would lift the toilet off. There's actually, you would take, and it's dirty, but take those off, and you can take those screws out and take the toilet off and get to it. Now on mine, they have this, and that would probably be if you had the toilet right up against the wall in some of your travel trailers. Mine actually has this enclosed little thing here that has all the water lines running through it, and that gave me enough room to get back in here and get this one undone. So if you look right here, you've got a screw that goes in right there, and then you've got this hose that connects, and then you've also got the rod, the flush rod goes in here, and then you've got, it slides in on here, and then it's got a little nub on it right there that lifts up, that goes right in there. So if you slide it on in here, or to get it off, you'll have to either bend this down or push the other up, and you can slide this out to get it started. Of course, you'll take your screw out, and then it slides out. Of course, you have your water line you'll have to undo, and then once you get it out a little bit, you can just pull this off, and then kind of twist it around till you get the rod out. So we're gonna go ahead and slip this thing back in. I'll do my best to kind of show, but we're gonna have to do this one-handed. So, like I said, that's got a little slide, a little track that it goes into. So we'll get that started. Actually, let's get the flush valve started first. There. Now that that's done, got that in. Yeah, I should have. Why? Oh, that O-ring is starting to come off. Let me. I'm gonna put some silicone on that O-ring real quick. Alright. Use some spray silicone. Just a little bit of lubricant. I was able to get that pushed on. So now we can so we got it in place there. And then we take our screw it's a flathead, but it's a little short one, and it's doing the job. Put our screw in. And then take our water line, and it's actually got a little O-ring or a little seal, and what you'll want to do is take that and make sure it's on straight. And then start it. And this thing is just hand tight. All right, we're all good. I'm gonna have to get both hands back there and tighten it down a little bit more, but we should be good after we get that done. Like I said, we've already gotten our valve hooked up, screw tightened. We got this in its little track, and the little nub is in the hole. So we're all done. Thanks for watching.